Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Gold lost stream, copper sinks further as hawkish Fed boosts dollar. By Mubarok, Investing.com, gold price capitulated to recent gains while copper extended loss on Thursday. After an interest rate hike and hawkish message from the Federal Reserve boosted the dollar and weighed heavy on metal markets. Bullion price initially showed some resilience after the Fed decision bouncing from over 2-year lows, as investors saw the metal has heavily oversold, but it had since capitulated most of those gains and was trading in flat to low range. Spot gold fell 0.3% to $169 an ounce, while gold future will slightly to $1,674 an ounce by 21.80. Both instruments rose around 0.5% on Wednesday. Metal markets shared a similar degree of volatility as most other asset classes after the Fed raised interest rate by 75 basis points as expected, but the central bank struck a more hawkish than expected tone on the future part of futures, commenting expectation that U.S. rate will end the year well above 4%. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said the bank needed to take much more aggressive measures to combat red-hot inflation, and was prepared to put some pressure on the economy and the job market as a result. Powell's comments pushed the dollar up 1% to freeze 20-year high, pressuring most metal precious, silver and platinum future lost 0.1% and 0.4% respectively. Gold prices have plummeted from high heat during the initial days of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, as rising U.S. interest rate boosted the dollar and drew capital away from the yellow metal. It has also lost its status as a reliable safe haven, having depreciated despite increasing fears of a coming recession. Among industrial metals, copper future fell 0.3% to $3,4,260 a pound after tumbling 2% on Wednesday. The Fed's hawkish stance is likely to put more pressure on global economic growth, denting demand for the red metal. Sentiment toward copper was further dented on Wednesday after the CEO or major miners Rio Tinto ACX Rio warned the price of the red metal was set for short-term weakness due to rising inflation and supply chain disruption. The red metal also has to contend with weakening economic growth in China, the world's largest copper importer. Still, copper price took some recent support from a strike in Chile's Escondida, the world's largest copper mine. The move is eventually expected to tighten supply for the red metal. Stocks were close to a 2-year low, and Japan was forecast to unilaterally intervene in FX markets for the first time since 19 for the first time since 1998 on Thursday after the Federal Reserve aggressive U.S. rate hike signals had put market on the run. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel.